Hello, Bill Holton, Product Manager for Construction Equipment, Kubota Corporate out of Grapevine, Texas. Today we're going to talk about the KX030-4. A couple of new features that are improved, upgraded, or updated over the previous model. We have a new larger cab, larger floor space. Got a couple of creature comforts inside here where we've moved the monitor to the front, allowing for easier visibility. The overall cab space itself has been increased. Just below the cab is this handy little toolbox. Inside is a storage area for a grease gun. There's also a valve handle for the auxiliary return to tank. The dozer blade in the front now comes with a float feature. Matches all the other dozer blade functions on all the other excavators in our lineup. Our hoses have been routed through the boom, maximum protection. The work light used to be on the outside of the boom on the old KX71. Now it's tucked in underneath, giving optimum lighting to the dig area in those low light situations. Out here at the dig end, new standard feature is going to be the diverter valve. Allows us to plumb in 2 attachments or a thumb plus an attachment. Down on the main frame, on the carriage, we're using the same sturdy, trusted and reliable X-frame format, but we've also added an extra tie down. So now you have 2 tie downs on each side. Still get the tie downs on the counterweight. During operation, this machine has an auto-downshift function. So as we're traveling across the job site, go to make a turn, it automatically downshifts from a high speed to a low speed, providing that torque and power as needed to the drive. Hydraulic sight glass visible through the side hood. Same Kubota reliability that you can come to expect from any other Kubota branded excavator that we have out on the line today. And as always, performance matched attachments to meet the Kubota machine. Again, this is the KX030-4, upgrading the KX71-3